So to remove a door panel on a 98 Jetta, or a 93 to 98, you're gonna have, like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts and 2 Phillips, and then you gotta take this cover piece off and the whole thing. Take this cover piece off and the whole thing pops up, and you have all the screws holding the speaker and need to come off. What is going on, guys? So we got this bad boy out. It failed. I'm gonna take it apart and see exactly what failed on it, but it just won't latch anymore, which sucks. But I got the new one in. It's right there. It's all bolted up. You got 3 bolts here. Have the bolt here for the door. At the rail, the top rail. God, my phone would never stop ringing. I swear to God, I'm gonna smash it. Spam. I hate people at spam call, dude. Shit's annoying. Worthless fucking people. But anyways, I just got to put in a bolt. Where did it go? Probably when I threw my phone down. And you got these clips, and for the door panel you have screws all the way around. Sucks, and they're not normal screws. They're these guys, the T-bolts, torque screws. I know it's got a bitchin' speaker, huh? Oh, there it is. Ah, it's to lock the door handle. So, what we do is come here. So I got the door handle all in. We'll just tighten it down. Oh, well, it's crooked. Hang on a second. Alright guys, we're in the Jetta. As you can see, the door opens and closes good. We haven't started it in a couple days, so let's see if it has any juice. And she fired right up. Oh, that's loud. Got my GoPro mount there. Check engine light's on. It always comes on as soon as it hits that line on the fuel. Don't know why. I'm gonna guess it needs a fuel filter. But as you guys can see, the car is running. And it never stopped running, I guess. It just needed a new door latch, which I got. I'm just gonna go get me a new little screw unplug thing for that. Actually, they just unscrew, so. Back door doesn't really need one. Daddy's driver's door does, though. So the lock button for these cars are right here. It locks everything but the driver's door. Pretty nice. Sunroof controls are there, but that's cool. Glad the door works and shuts and closes. I had a tire pinned up against it for the longest freaking time because, yeah, that tire was holding the door shut so the alarm could stay activated. But now all is good. Bingo was his name. Alright, let's go see what the kids are doing. Oh, what are you guys doing? You're trashing the house. Yeah! Wow! What are you doing, little missy? You putting stuff down in the vent? But that will include today's video on basically how to remove your door panel and how, I guess, to swap out the lock mechanism or the door latch and the lock. It's considered a lock and the door latch assembly. It's like 200 and something bucks. I had a free one. I swapped it out. Not that big of a deal. So, anyways, I'm gonna get to watching these little guys here. Oh, the other one's hiding. Don't buy leather, man. This is what it does. It's disgusting. It sucks. This was supposed to be red velvet leather crap. Yeah, and you can see where you sit. Cloth's way to go. Look how clean that is. Mine has a little hole right here. Anthony's watching Jimmy Neutron. But anyways, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of the Jetta. Put a comment down below. Let me know. Thank you.